The nine hells and the deepest among them is where the stronger gather. The hell of nine skies, and there is always a fight to determine who is the strongest, repeating endlessly. They all thought there would never be a winner until he appeared, the Demon King who sits on the Demon King throne in Demon King Palace, the apex of all demons. He possesses the power of gluttony. With this power, he could absorb all the powers and bodies he could lay his hand on, and the reasons for the seventh prince of hell downfall is all because of this power, the apex of demon itself. That's its ultimate power to consume anything in hell. If there is one thing he is good at it's swallowing everything, power, bodies, and probably his pride. The greatest demon king whom all demons fear and even greater demon bow before him. In reality, is a human being who has been hell for more than 10,000 years. Imagine spending 10,000 years in hell. At that point, even a fireproof pair of underwear would not save you from internal etches. Honestly, after that much time surrounded by demons, the guy deserves a lifetime supply of lotion and therapy. He wants to leave hell because the thing he gets to serve work consumings are so awful that even a pig would not want to see them. It's bad when even the local demons are like, nah, bro, you can keep that. In hell, he misses Earth's food so much because demon does not have the concept of food. They feast on their enemies after winning a fight with them. Talk about all you can eat a buffet of hell editions. At this point, even a cold slice of pizza would taste like Michelin's star quiz to him. And if he ever desires someone to be loved by him, obviously a woman, then a sucking queen, a sickness queen, Lilith appears to be volunteer. She has so many eyes on her damn face that you cannot find her damn mouth or any space to eject some fluid on her. It's like a playing a weird game of Where's Wildo, except what you are trying to feed is more expect. Although with her you don't need to find lubricant because she is the succubus who was told to suck the essence of man, but unfortunately she is not in the form of beautiful human lady. If I were in the place of MC, I would be satisfied with that because you cannot find a lubricated hole. Already in hell. At this point, the MC standards are so low that even slightly warm breeze might be enough to make him emotional because lust and growth can lead you anywhere, and in hell the roads are so slippery for all the wrong reasons. Well, that thing aside, even after 10,000 years our MC decision does not change. We still want to go back to Earth. That's because it's not an NSFW manhwa where the MCs goes to other world and find something to entertain him. If this were that kind of manhwa, he already had a bigger harem than a small village. After 10,000 years of endurance, now our MC is at his limit and wants to return to Earth by any means. During transportations, he detected an error which shows or exceed the limits. At this point, even the system was like, bro, chill. After that, he found himself in a forest, and when he tried to call the status window, he was shocked because all his power was sealed and his level resets to level 1. It's like whenever you are trying to accomplish something and there goes your leg saying, hey you there, instead of trying to hold my hand, why don't you hold my stick? Might you feel better? Poor guy cannot catch a break. 1 minute you are the demon king and the next back to being a newbie grinding goblins. It's like going from billionaire to working retail on Black Friday. After a while, he came to know that this is the goblin dungeon because he saw a bunch of them running towards him, not for congratulations but to feast on him. Yup, he did what he always did in hell, killed them mercilessly during the fight. He heard a scream and ran in that direction, as his life depends on it, because a little while ago he detected demonic energy that was only in hell, and a thought came that he might run into that succubus again. But thanks to his luck, he found a beautiful girl among the goblins. He screamed with joy as he got a new life because now he could produce a new life, no more using two hands. After 10,000 years, his right hand was about to file for divorce because he was so much tired to trying to hold that luck stick. He defeated every goblin around her so he could just hold her, and the first thing he said to a girl after 10,000 years was, "Let's get married." Dude skipped the flattering and went straight to permanent residency. Talk about the commitment. If he had a dating profile, it would just say 10,000 years of experience guaranteed to last all night. Now, with the help of God, he got out of the dungeons and then came to know that there are gates that can lead other worlds called dungeons. And these dungeons are connected with hell as the monster in these dungeons possesses the hell energy that can only be found there. Now MC wants to raid all those dungeons to collect that hell energy as much as he could so he can become the strongest in the world, and he also feels that his faithful follower could also come, so he wants to become strongest to beat the shit out of them. Imagine explaining to your new girlfriend why an army of hell most loyal demons is hunting you down like a sugar daddy who skips the child sport. After reading this manhwa, you would be like, "Hey, I like this MC because he's so fucking awesome, cunning, annoying, and overpowered." And if you don't like him, don't worry, he probably does not care unless you bring him food or a warm bed. After all, nothing motivates a man like a hotter meal or a hotter night. And with 10,000 years of pent up frustrations, no, he got stamina for days. This Demon King isn't the kind to finish up early.
When I'm up through the night,
I hope
I
you
can't
like this
turn
video
down the
and
noise.
keep
Tear all
supporting
the
me as you
worries
always
out
do,
of
and
my
don't forget to
mind
like, comment and
about who
subscribe my
I'm
channel
supposed to
and
be. I
stay tuned for
start
more
to
updates.
believe. Can't